the presentation about the previously given assignment. So the first question is discussing the local search algorithms in relation to AI, providing a scenario for each. So the first one is going to be hill climbing. Hill climbing specifically, hill climbing is a search algorithm that starts with an arbitrary solution and iteratively makes small changes to improve the solution. A scenario is about traffic management. Then we have simulated annealing. So simulated annealing is used for complex optimization problems where the search space has many local. A scenario is a school bus trying to find its route in a district, minimizing fuel consumption. So the third is we have genetic algorithms used in AI for complex optimization and search problems. Yeah, I think that's it. Such problems, especially when the solution space is very large and complex. Then the second question, the scenario, sorry for the previous one. The scenario is public healthcare resources allocation, for example, the doctors, the supplies, and stuff. So going to 1B, which is about how you incorporate. Question 1B is discuss how you, yeah, that's usability of these algorithms in use solving using responsible and explainable AI. Integration, so one is integration with ethical guidelines, human-centered explanations, and auditing and continuous monitoring. So for integration with ethical guidelines, embedding ethical constraints and explanation in the algorithms that shows fairness. Then human-centered explanations, instead of just providing technical reasoning, these algorithms could enhance to be more user-friendly. Auditing and continuous monitoring, responsible AI could enforce regular audits of these algorithms to ensure also. So going to number two, discussing defining adversarial search and scenarios. Adversarial search is a well-suited approach in a competitive environment where two or more agents have conflicting goals. The adversarial search is used in drone controls, military operations, board games, and then part 2B, going to 2B, with examples, discuss the minimax and expected minimax algorithms as used in the adversarial search. So the minimax algorithm is a fundamental approach in adversarial search where the game tree is explored by finding by finding what yeah by finding the possible loss for worst case scenario. So this is used in principle of minimizing the possible loss for worst case scenario. It assumes that both players are playing optimal. So the max nodes represents the current when players move, while the min nodes represent the opponent. The primary goal of these algorithms is to minimize the possible loss for worst case scenario. So going to the alpha beta pruning, this is that is to see the optimization technique for the minimax algorithm reduces the number of nodes evaluated in the game tree by eliminating branches that cannot influence. So alpha is the best, or the highest value of the maximizer. The maximizer can guarantee given the current state. Then beta, that is the lowest the maximizer can guarantee given the. So then question 3, discussing the concept of adversarial machine learning. So this is a technique used to study machine learning models. Machine learning model attacks to identify the weak point and form a defensive mechanism about these malicious adversarial attacks seek to manipulate machine learning models by providing uh, how, do, how do they call them? Deceiving inputs. So the types of adversarial machine learning attacks, premium evasion, we have evasion attack, data poisoning, model extraction. Then how does the last part is two? Is it number two? Number 3B, sorry. So adversarial search is is an is in artificial intelligence is a problem-solving technique that focuses on making decisions competitive for adversarial scenarios. It is employed to find optimal strategies where multiple agents, often referred to as players, have a conflict, totally conflict objective. So how it relates to adversarial search and relates to adversarial machine learning is that both of them are trying to predict the move of the opponent, that is to say the model, in constrained battle against malicious users who are trying to exploit. This indicates that there is always a competition and